Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Razer Opus in the application. You have to start by open the application and now click on your headphones here. So basically we have a few options how to rename it. Firstly, you can press and hold right here and click on the name, or we can click on the headphones and then go to the settings at the right top. And right here click on this pencil icon. And it's the same as the first option. So right here, write the best one for you. Let's say, so I need to remove this one and just add something like this one. After you finish, click save. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!